Hello everyone, this is Kakur Bernard. Today I'm going to take you through how to start an application program such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database, Microsoft Publisher, Microsoft Expression Web. So we are going to see how can we start these application programs, especially if you are new to these application programs. I'm going to show you the procedures, how you can start these different programs. So basically we shall look at 3 ways of starting application programs. So these are the methods. For example, if you are creating Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, so these procedures are almost the same. And so the first procedure at best is that you are going to click on Start. So having clicked on Start, you come and click All Programs. So from All Programs, you come and choose Microsoft Office. So when you click Microsoft Office, from here, you choose the program you would like to use. For example, if I open Microsoft Word 2010, so when I click on it, it is going to open. So once it finishes opening, so this is where you can start working from. So after opening this, opening word processing, so after doing that, then you can save this. So you click File, Save, and now you choose the location where you want to save your work. So from here we have a variety of locations where you can save your work. For example, you can decide to put your work on the desktop, but automatically most of the time or by default the work is always saved in Documents or My Documents. So you can save this work in desktop, you can put it in My Documents, you can put it in Downloads, you can put it in Music, you can put it in Pictures, you can put it in Videos, or you can go ahead and save on this local disk, or go ahead and save on this new volume. So for us, I want to save it on the desktop. So I choose desktop. So from here I give it a name, My Work, and then I click Save. So after saving that work, you can close. And so this is the work that we have saved on the desktop. So that is the work. So this method can apply to all other programs. This method can apply on Excel, can apply on PowerPoint, can apply on Database, can apply on Publisher, and maybe except for Microsoft Web. We shall also see how to open it. So that is how we can begin Microsoft Word, one way. Another way is that you can begin by creating a folder. So you right click on the desktop, you go to New, choose Folder. This folder you can save it as Arsenal. That is my folder. So open your folder by right clicking and choose Open. So inside this folder, on this space here, it says this folder is empty. So in here, right click, you go to New, and then you choose Microsoft Word document and say you can call it Fixtures. So this you can open it, and that is another way of creating a Word document. So this is also another way. Yes, So you can now just save changes. For this method, you only save changes because you have already given it a name. So what follows, you just keep saving changes. Yes, the third method of how you can start a Word document is by use of support files. By use of support files. So for example, you will open a support file, and then in there, for example, if I open acceptance list, this is a Word document. It has a W as an icon. These are other programs like Access. It has an icon A. Excel has an icon X. PowerPoint has an icon P. Publisher also has P, but colors are different. So when I open Microsoft Word, so once it has opened, I now save it in my folder. So I will click File, and for this time around I will choose Save As. So I click Save As, and then from there my folder is located on the desktop. So on the left side I will click Desktop. And once you don't find desktop around here, once you find desktop is hidden like this, so you double click these favorites so that desktop comes. So click desktop, and so these are desktop items. Move down and look for your folder. My folder is called Arsenal. So double click. So here, come and save your work as tables or table. So then you click save. If a message appears, click OK. So once you continue working here, and if you add more content, so once you add more content, you simply click File, Save. And so this means that we have created Word document for the third round. So once I click Arsenal, I will find my Word document there, table. So once you open it, you'll find work there. So those are the three ways how you can start Microsoft Word. And so those methods can apply on these areas. It can apply on Word, can apply Excel, can apply on PowerPoint. You can use same methods on database. You can use same methods on Publisher. So I wanted to slightly look at PowerPoint also. So PowerPoint, you can also open your folder, right click inside, you go to New, Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation, and so you can give it a name, PowerPoint. So once you have created it, you can press enter twice to open, and so PowerPoint has opened. Once it has opened, you click to add first slide. So from here you can start working. That is one way. Another method is that you can still click on Start All Programs. You come and choose Microsoft Office, then you choose PowerPoint 2010. Once it has opened, it is here. You click File, Save As, that is for the first time. Click Desktop, look for your folder Arsenal, double click, give it a name, and then you click Save. That is how you can open PowerPoint. Also, PowerPoint can be found in support files in case you want to use support files. For example, if I open Apple PPs, that is PowerPoint, and from there I can click File, Save As. From the left side I click Desktop, and then here I double click my folder, I write a file name and click Save. So there I have saved in my folder. So when I open Arsenal, I will find PowerPoint files. Those are three ways you can open PowerPoint. Then I want also to look at how can you start database. Yes, you click on Start or Programs, Microsoft Office, look for Access. So once Access has opened, you can now also start working on it. So those are different ways you can open programs. And for example, if you want to open Microsoft Expression Web, it is also the same method. You click on Start or Programs, Microsoft Expression. For it is saved alone, Microsoft Expression. So when you click on it, you choose Microsoft Expression Web. And so once it has also opened, we are still waiting for it to load. So this is Expression Web loading. And so once Expression Web has opened, for it still you will click on File. So this you can always say no. So you click File, New, then you click Page. So once you do that, it will bring a menu. So from here you click Website, and so after that you are going to click One Page Website. Then you browse where you are going to store it, and so from there you click Desktop, look for your folder Arsenal. So in this folder you are supposed to add a new folder that will contain your website name. So for example, here I will click New Folder. So in here I can say Radio Website. So this is the folder that will contain my website. So double click and choose Open and click OK. So this means that now you can rename this. Here you can rename. If you say homepage.htm or .html, you press enter and click yes, then double click this page. So from here you can start working. If I say this is my first page, and so you can highlight it, you center it, you bold it, you can increase font size, then you save changes and you close. So when you look at this folder Arsenal, inside I have another folder. You can see how the icon looks like. It is holding a website. So once I open, inside I find home page. I can right click and open it with any browser here. So for example, if I choose Chrome, I will see a website opening. So that's how you can create a website. And in other words, how you can start your application program of Microsoft Expression Web. So this is my home page. I have a website. That's how I can start Expression Web. And so last time we were looking at how can we start a database program. I said you click on Start or Programs, Microsoft Office, you click Microsoft Access 2010. So once it has opened, it's here. So here you give it a name. I can say my database, and then I look for where I'm going to save it. Here you click here. So click Desktop, double click your folder, and then here that is the name of my database. I click OK. So after saving it, this is the location on the desktop in my folder. I say create. And so once I click on create, this is how you can open database. So from here you can click on create table design, and so you assign your fields. So index number, name or first name, I say sex, district. And so here you assign data types and put a primary key there. Save your table as students. Click OK. And then click view. So from here you can start entering your data like that. So you save changes and close. So when you open your folder Arsenal, this is my database saved. Are we together? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. So another way of creating a database, you open your folder. So from here you right click, go to new, Microsoft Access, and then you can call it Agatha. That is your database. You open it, and so from here enable the content, click create, table design, and then proceed. You save changes and then you can close your database. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Yes.